Psalm 127 verse 3 tells us, children are a gift from the Lord. They are a reward from Him. We must admit our parents did what was expected of them. They loved, nurtured, and cared for us the best way they could. Years later, their lives took an unexpected turn. Health challenges, money matters, and crisis situations we were never ready for. Now, we are saddled with making decisions for our parents. How did this happen? Why? Once a man, twice a child. Fit true. A Saturday morning runnings. Come, make we talk.